Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp messages on your phone. So let's start. Open the WhatsApp. Tap on three dots on top right corner and go to Settings. Now tap on the Chats option. Now go to Chat Backup. Here you will see that you can include videos to your backup if you enable it. You can change your Gmail. You can also back up to your Google Drive. Now to start backing up your conversation and media, tap Backup. And your conversations and media will be backed up on your Google Drive. It takes a few moments. When the backup process is done, I'll just uninstall my WhatsApp. Now I will go to Google Play Store and download WhatsApp again. Now open the WhatsApp again. Now I have to verify my phone number again. So I'll just type in my phone number. This is the process when you download WhatsApp for the first time. Okay, so now you'll see that Find and Restore Backup option. Now tap Continue. I have to set the permissions again. Okay. Now you'll see that your backup is found. And now tap Restore to continue. No data needs to be downloaded in this process. Now tap Restore and your backup will be restored within a few moments. Now tap Next. I have to enter my name again. And here you can see all of my conversations are restored, as well as all the medias. You can also set your backup permissions again. Set your backup frequency, choose your email, and you are done. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.